Hello guys, this is EIP, the only trading group that actually works. And after the big fall that day, so on Friday, I told my group that we should buy over here. This is the screenshot from the Discord group in NQ buy. And what did we see later on? A drastic decline, a drastic upside like this, very sharp upside like this. So do you think that it is easy that it is easy to short market over here and then to get long over here? Do you think if I would have told everybody or anybody that buy over here and they would have bought over here, do you think this information comes easily and naturally to everybody? No, it does not. You need to attract this trait towards you. These are sort of traits you need to attract yourself towards them. These are not meant for everybody. And you know why? When this declined, I didn't even know. I didn't even know there was FOMC day that day. I I specifically and with full intent, I try to keep myself out of the news nonsense. So I knew, so I was not aware of the fact that there was a FOMC decision on that day because I keep myself out of the news trading nonsense. And I was expecting a big dump, so we did get a big dump. And yesterday on Friday, I did not know there was PCE data, but I was expecting a pop, and I did get the pop. So do you think the kind of 90% traders that we have in this world, the people who are always chasing the price, who are always chasing the money, do you think they would have gotten this? No, they were short over here because this broke the support. So they were looking to short 220 or something, 20K support. Because if you would look at the structure on the left, so there was some support over here. So everybody was expecting it to go towards 20,000 and then maybe a bounce. Anyway, this is not the agenda for the video. The agenda for the video is that can you get all of these trades? No, these trades are cannot. You guys cannot get these trades even if I would tell you, because only few can attract these sort of trades. Only few are supposed to have this sort of money. And when you were over here, when the market was over here, what makes you think you deserve to get on board and get this whole trade to break this top of the fourth wave with conviction? What made you think you could have gotten this? Do you think a simple Discord group would have gotten you this? No. So my friends, in this video, I'm going to reveal you the secret software coding through which the universe works. If you think that the God is sitting on a throne, rewarding you or punishing you for your deeds or karma, you are wrong. I think God has programmed a software, and in that software, if you do certain things, you get rewarded. If you do certain good things, you get rewarded, and if you do certain bad things, you get punished. So, if you were when the market was going over here, and if you were cheating on your wife, or if your wife was not happy, and if you were like not respecting your wife, your relationship with your wife, or any woman was not good. So do you think you would long over here? No. The trading gods will make you short the market only to see you this. Just like when you long the market. If you were not respecting a labor class or the laborers or the people who are poor, who are not privileged, do you think you would have got in this trade? No. If you were not respecting your parents, if you were not respecting your mother, do you think you would have got in this trade? No. Only the very few of the deserving they get this trade. They get this trade. And they get the whole of the rally. I know I might be sounding full of bullshit, but this is the truth. In order to in order to attract wealth, you need to correct your karmas. You need to be nice to your wife or the woman in your life. You need to be you need to treat your parents with respect. You need to treat your daughters with respect because to trade the stock market you need a lot of intellect. And if your daughter is not happy and if your wife is not happy and if your mother is not happy, how do you expect the trade to work? You can do whatever you want. You can chase any of the nonsense news and it will go against you. Similarly, if you are going to say bad things about the people who are not privileged, for example, your drivers, your maid, your labor class workers, your employees, do you think you are going to get this? No. You would long over here and then you will short over here. You will have no conviction to get the whole of this thing. So my friend, the software which I am decoding in front of you, it's the most important thing which I am telling you. In order to get the wealth, in order to truly harness the riches of the stock market. And I personally believe I have harnessed the secret of the stock market. And sometimes even when I know, I sometimes get confused. But in order to truly decode and truly make the stock market work for you, you need to, you know, you need to have support of some of your energies, some of the energies which cannot be explained, but you need to have those energies on your side. You need to have people praying for you. Only then these things work. Only then you can become millionaire or billionaire. So these things are not bullshit. They actually worked. And for the last 2 or 3 months, when I was silent and I got the whole of the rally from October till December, and I got whole of the Bitcoin from 54,000 till 100,000 with my group. I was not kidding. I got whole of the rally and I forbade my group to short the market because I knew post November there is going to be no stopping. And all of those people who were making daily videos and who were telling you upside, or whatever, or sorry, down, up, they were all doing nonsense. Just go check the Ron Walker uh, YouTube channel. 73,000 subscribers, and all of them are, you know, something is wrong with them because I know how much they are getting burned. And the people of the other trading groups talking about Federal Reserve, talking about interest rate, talking about PCE, CPI. Do you think do you think you know these data? Do you think you can trust this data? Do you think stock market work like that? On CE, it goes up on PCE data or it goes down on PCE data? Come on, guys. You need to open your you need to open up a wormhole in your universe through which you will get the rewards which you deserve. And if you will not deserve, if you if If you will not be deserving of those rewards, you will not understand this video. You will skip this video. But if you will be if the time is right and 2025 would be the right time for you, then you would understand this video and it will make sense to you. Because I know you have tried chasing the news. I know you have spent your whole life trying to chase the stock market, trying to look at PCE data, CPI data, whatever. But in my group, nobody does that. We never talk about these things. And so far, it is working. And I have a faint idea also how 2025 will be. And I will again try to follow that. But I already told you that you need to correct your mindset. You need to, if you will be of a person who has a negative thinking, and if you are a person who is operating from the state of lack, then stock market will never work for you, my friend. It is not for those who are operating from a capital of $10,000. In order to make a good amount of money in stock market, you need to have at least $100,000 minimum. With leverage, you can make a lot of money. At least $100,000 should be good to make, good amount of money. So rest, I don't know. There are different people with different mindset and different, there are guys who are trading $10,000 account uh, with funded accounts or whatever. So my personality is not for these things. I don't know how to manage this. So I manage a bigger account. So the account, one of my account is actually like this. So I know how to manage the risk and I know how to manage the account. But I cannot help somebody turn 5,000 into 5 million. But I'm good at generally predicting the direction, right? And that I will continue to do so. But if you are a person who is of a negative mindset, and if you are a person who is operating from the lack, like most of the people are, I know this because I am part of the other groups also. And those people are full of nonsense and 100% operating from the lack, operating from $500 account, operating $1,000, $5,000 account, buying options or whatever. And YouTube is full of, you know, fake nonsense guys. Now there is a trader from stock and there's a trader from India. I wouldn't name him, but he's a fat guy, very fat guy, and he just made 2 crores, 2 crore rupees. He just recovered 2 crore rupees of his loss. Basically, he had lost 2 crore rupees in trading, and he recovered 2 crores in this 2024. And now he has appeared on at least 55 podcasts in the last 2 months. Now 2 crore is nothing, and this is only the recovery of his loss. And if you check if you check the Nifty stock market of India, then it is going up on a straight line. So anybody can be a genius in a bull trend. And this guy, so this guy started trading in 2020 and lost around 2 crore rupees over the 4 years, and this year he recovered 2 crores. So do you think when the stock market will, and now right now stock market is just going up like this. So do you think in the next year when stock market will start doing like this? Because I personally think that next year 2025 is going to be like this. So a lot of up and down and sideways. So do you think he will be able to, or most of the people will be able to survive? The person who made money on this? No, I personally think 2024 market was very easy, but 2025 is going to be very difficult because it will do like this. And what is the point of appearing in 50 podcasts for making only 2 crores? I don't get it. And that is not making 2 crores. That's just recovery of the loss. So you need to have the correct heroes. You need to hang out with the correct people. If you will hang out with the news traders and news people who chase the market and people who talk nonsense, people who make random up and down lines, and the people who talk blame Jerome Powell or whatever, then you will forever be relegated to those sort of, market analysis and those sort of outlook and those sort of people. Your average of 5 people you hang out with. So if you will hang around the news traders, then you will become a news trader and you will talk a lot of nonsense. You will you will be able to speak. You will be able to, blame anybody to get out of your trading mess. But if you are trading maths and if you are trading cycles and if you are trading uh, not the news, not the fundamentals, but certain principles, then you have no other option but to, stick to your rules and to get the trades, minimize your losses and maximize your gains. And but how would you but how would you be able to do it? Do you think if you are a negative person and you get happy when people lose money, do you think you will be able to short the top and long the bottom? No. I'm telling you, my friend, you won't be able to do it. Hello? 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 So do you think you will be able to get it? No, you won't be able to get it. So in order to make money, you need to hang out with the correct group of traders, and you need to hang out. You need to have a positive outlook of life. If you are chasing money, you will never be able to get money. And if you are not respecting your wife or your woman in your life, not respecting your parents, not respecting your daughters, not taking care of your son, then you're not going to do it. You will forever be relegated to chasing the market, chasing 5 minutes, 1 minute chart, and getting nothing out of it. And this thing is not nonsense. This thing actually works. And this message will only resonate with those people who are ready. And those people who are not ready, they will continue chasing the news. They will continue chasing nonsense. They will continue blaming Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve, Donald Trump, trade wars, China war, India, Indian economy, or whatever. But only those who know, they will understand what I'm trying to say. So you need to correct your karmas. You need to improve your karmas in order to get the true wealth out of the stock market. Just making $1,000 here and there is not going to cut it. And I'll try to make regular videos on this theme now because there are a lot of law of attraction guys, but I am the only one who actually makes money from law of attraction itself. Like I'm not selling any law of attraction course. I actually apply law of attraction. I know I have done a lot of research and I can Whatever I imagine, it actually comes true. So I think maybe I do not have lots of followers, but I'm the one who is actually making money from the stock market. And um, and I'm not even trying to sell membership of my group. I already have a, you know, very solid core members of the group who believe in me. So I'm happy with them. 10, 15 guys. I just talk with them. So I'm happy with them. So that's it. So the point is, you need to improve your karmas in order to get the true wealth. Otherwise, you will forever be stuck in the vicious circle, vicious loop of chasing the money. Because money come to those, if you, there is a secret of attracting the money basically. Sometimes I thank God that how He helps and open the stock market for me. So similarly, you need to have those sort of vibration. You need to have those sort of frequency. You need to have those sort of energy in you, and you need to hang around those sort of guys who talk this thing, who talk this talk. And if you'll hang around those 5 minute news traders, then you're not going to cut it because 95% of the people they they are actually poor. Only 5% have the true wealth. And so listen to me if you agree. And if you don't believe in me, then don't agree. I don't care. But if you will if if you will pay heed to my lesson which I'm trying to tell you, then it will do good in your life. At least you will improve your, relationship with your wife, with your parents, with your sisters, with your brothers, with your like daughters and son. And I've decoded, I've done a lot of research and I've decoded all of them, how each of them help you in stock market, how each of these energies help you in gaining the gains from the stock market. Have you ever seen an unstable person who has zero, who is zero in relationship, make actually consistent money from the stock market? No. So there is a lot of, esoteric things behind, making money from the stock market. And this is it. If you want me to, continue posting more video like this, then leave a comment so that I can again start being regular in the stock market. And I wish you all the best in 2025. Thank you.